All right, so for this one, we are going to be doing a parallel line through a point. This is our last one today. Drawing a parallel line through a point is actually a lot like copying an angle, which is what we did earlier up here when we did congruent angles, okay? So just kind of follow along, be able to do this on your own because this will be a homework assignment. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line segment. I didn't really want to make it flat just because parallel lines aren't always flat, like they have different slopes. So this one just has a little bit of a positive slope. My point is going to be right up here. I'm going to call this point G. And I'm going to call this down here point H. All right? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a line and a point, which we just did. You're going to connect your line with that point above. So I'm going to go over here and just draw this little line segment connecting that point. Okay? Now what we do is, this is an angle, we're going to copy that angle and put the vertex of the new angle on our point G, which is above. So, remember, to copy that angle, you have to go and you take your protractor, your compass, I'm sorry, and I'm going to put the point on H, move it around here, and I'm going to unlock it and give it just a little bit of a space. I'm going to lock it. I'm going to draw my two arcs. Well, my one arc that goes through both sides. Okay? Make sure it goes through both sides of that angle. Now, remember, keep this locked. Take it up to your point G and draw the arc again. Okay, so for this, it looks like my line wasn't exactly long enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back up here and just extend that line a little bit with this line segment. Just make it a little longer. Trying to keep the same angle and everything with it. All right. So once I have those two arcs, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here and I'm going to measure this from the point that it made on this line, on this angle. I'm going to unlock this and put the pencil on the other point, and then I'm going to lock it. Okay, that's where this point, like that's the distance for this. So then I'm going to put that point up here, and I'm going to make an arc right there. And then, where that intersection is the point that I need to draw this line through. And then these two lines will be parallel. Any questions, just let me know.